Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XIAOMI 12S Ultra device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and deleted videos, your deleted memories from the recycle bin. So, firstly open gallery and let's remove one photo. So I will remove this photo, delete. Great. How to recover it? To do it, just open albums, scroll down and find here not trash, but trash bin. Click on it. Here find the photo you have recently deleted, but you need to know that all photos will be stored here in the trash bin only during 30 days, and after this time your photos and videos will be permanently deleted from your device. So choose the photos you want to recover. To choose it, you just need to click and hold on this photo. You can choose several photos, for example, and click restore. Go back to the photos, and as you can see, photo with Taras Grigorovich Shevchenko was successfully restored. Bye!